Switching daily from one tool to another, seeking for AI assistance can be tough for everyday user. I use just one website for all my AI needs. Tools like AI writing, video summarizer, transcript generator, text to speech, PDF summarizer, image editor, and so many of them in one place. In a few minutes, I will show you how to access all of these free of charge. I am Pat. Please, let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open Chrome. From Chrome, I have already opened NoteGPT. You can see it from here, NoteGPT. This is a powerful AI tool. One of the advantages of using this is because you have all the AI tools in one place. Yes, NoteGPT in real sense doesn't have AI tools on its own. It's just a collection of so many AI tools. So the advantage is for you to pay only one platform and you have so many popular AI tools in one place. You do not need to switch from one place to another. So from here you can see that we have AI YouTube. Under this, you can do YouTube video summarizer, YouTube transcript generator, YouTube subscription. You can also add it to your Chrome. I hope you understand. Then if you move to the next tab known as AI translator, you will also see things we have here: YouTube to text, video to text, audio to text, speech to text, and so on. We also have AI summarizer. You can see all the things we have here. If you want to do PDF summarizer, PPT summarizer, that's for PowerPoint, image summarizer, and what have you. There is also AI voices, like you want to do text to speech, and AI podcast generator, AI voice cloning, you want to use your voice, AI voice designer, and so on. We also have AI images. You can see them here. Different images like object remover, AI image enhancer, AI image extender. Let's say you have small image here, you want to scale it to a big image. All these things are here under AI images in NoteGPT platform. We also have AI writer. If you want to do AI content detector, AI humanizer, maybe you use ChatGPT or any other AI to generate a text, but it's being flagged by AI content detector. You can actually use NoteGPT to humanize that text so that it will be free from detection. Although we have always said that you need to bring in your human element, don't just rely on AI tools. I hope you understand. We also have AI essay writer here and AI essay grader. Yeah, if you are a teacher, you can use this to grade your students' assignments. There is also AI charts. Like if you want to now chat with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Cloud, Gemini, you can do all this here within NoteGPT. And apart from these ones, there are other more tools. You can see other tools here. You can see from this from the time of recording this video, Nano Banana is already added here as a new tool. There are other tools here. You can see them here. Now let us start with AI YouTube. So here we are going to try AI YouTube summarizer. Let's try that. For this, if you want to summarize a particular video from YouTube, let's say maybe you have a very long video you don't want to watch, maybe you don't have enough data or enough time to watch it, you can just summarize that video. Let's go to YouTube and maybe from critical thinking, we just search for this topic, critical thinking. Then we'll look for something from here. Let me use this. What I will do is to copy the link from these three dots and say share. From this share, I will see the link, I'll copy it. Once I copy it, I'll go back to this place and paste it using Ctrl V. Then I will then click on this button, generate summary. What we want to do is to generate the summary of this video we do not have time or resources to start watching them complete. Here, from the left side here, you can see that we already have the full transcript of this video. This is it, the full transcript. Okay, everything said in this video is already here. But at the right side, you will see the summary. So if you now read here, you see what is critical thinking, evaluating reasons, good versus bad, defining good reasons in critical thinking, and all of that. This is just the summary of this video. How cool is this? Please, if you like this, remember to subscribe in order to support me. Okay, then the next thing we are going to learn is AI PDF summarizer. If you have like 200 pages of PDF, you don't have time to read, you just want to get to the point, the real point. All you need to do is to upload that PDF file. Let's get one. I have a PDF file here, online learning. I'll just drag and drop it here and wait for it to upload. After uploading, the AI is going to extract the content, analyze it, and then write summary. You can see the summary here. The AI is currently writing the summary for me. How cool is this? So you do not need to switch from one AI tool to another. You have everything in one platform known as Notes GPT. If you would like to sign up from Notes GPT, please check the description box below. You will see the link to sign up. You can also find this link in the comment section. Another thing we are going to look at today is Math Solver. From Notes GPT, it has a Math Solver. So you can just upload the question from here. Let me upload, whether it is PDF or even image, you can upload it. Let me find the question. Here I have simple math problem here. I will upload it. I'll wait for it to upload. After uploading, I'll just say get answer. I'll click on this button. Once I click on that, it will solve it for me. So you can see it has finished solving, and this is the answer. And not just the answer, there is solution for it. This can help you to learn. If you want to learn how this thing is gotten, this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. And you can as well go on to ask more questions. Okay, how cool is this? Tell me in the comment section if you like this tool, or if there's any other tool that you think can do better than this. And this is not the only thing we have here. We have so many other things, as we have said before. If you come down to any of these places, you'll see a lot of tools, Some of them I have taught in this channel, like the email, voice, audio summarizer, text to speech. I have done them. You can check AI podcast generator. I have done them in this channel. Voice generator, I have also done them. You can as well try the image enhancer. If you click on it, you see it here. You just have to upload image and ask AI to enhance it. I hope you understand. What do you think about Notes GPT? Does it worth trying? Let me have your thoughts in the comment section below. Use the link that is tagged in the comments and also in the description box to sign up. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with your loved ones. Until next time, keep learning.